Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Degen here coming at you with another video. In this video, I want to go over, I guess you want to call it a strategy or a way I like doing things when I am buying NFTs that kind of merges a few different things together. One is risk diversification. Two is, keeping exposure to the project in the long term. And three is making an immediate profit, okay? And in this video, for this example, I am using Fantasy Labs' recent drop called Angry Elves, all right? This is a recent drop, and the reason I chose this is because the mint price was so cheap. And this is an IMX project, which is a very cool layer 2 for Ethereum. They just got a partnership with GameStop. The mint price was very cheap. It was 0.15 Ethereum for 10 NFTs. I don't know if they offered a bulk discount at all. They may have. I don't recall if they did, but that's why it's hard to decipher what the individual price of each NFT was if they did have some type of bulk discount. Now, at current price floor, you can see at 0.07 ETH, if I sold everything, I would have turned 0.15 ETH into 0.7 ETH. And I get that the price of Ethereum has fluctuated since then, but that actually benefits me because I made the purchases, I made the mints when Ethereum was down. So now that it's up, that 0.7 ETH is actually worth more than my initial investment. My initial investment was about $450, okay? And you could see right over here on my Immutable X wallet, I've actually already almost made all my money back, okay? Now, I could have made a lot more if I waited a little bit longer because I was selling at 0.02 and 0.03 Ethereum price floor. But even at that, I'm still in the green, okay? Anything over 0.015 price floor would have been in the green. So selling at a 0.03 price floor is in the green. So that's why I was doing it. I get, I could have made more Ethereum, more profit if I was waiting a bit. But what I did was all the common NFTs, all the ones that were just common, plain, nothing special, I sold. I sold at a profit. And now I'm almost to where I've made my initial investment back. This one should sell very soon. I just listed it, so I will be well over my initial investment. And then you'll see I have 2 NFTs that will be basically what I call free money. I've made my initial investment back and then some. I made a profit. And now if I believe in the project long term, I will let these 2 run, right? I have them listed pretty high. If they sell, that's great. If they don't, I'm going to let them run and see how high they can get. Now, one thing you don't see is I actually have another NFT I got from them that's not even on here because it's in staking right now. Fantasy Labs is launching a play-to-earn game, and they offered staking for 30 days. So I have one NFT that's staking for 5 tokens per day. They're called Zug tokens. And again, it's free money because I'm already almost back at my initial investment and then some, okay? So I'm going to see how that goes. Once the staking is over, I'll probably sell it. And then I will have turned a 0.15 Ethereum into a profit and continued to have long-term exposure to the project, right? Now, the key here is that you don't want to sell your rarer or unique NFTs at floor price. You want to let those ones run, okay? I sold all the common ones, all the ones that were just nothing special. I went into IMX Rarity. They were just like, these are just normal NFTs, nothing special. Those ones I all sold, made my money back and then some, made a profit. And now I'm going to let these 3, probably these 2, this one will sell soon, these 2 run, and then I'll be having the other one staking for the next 30 days. Now, I did break one of my key rules for this investment, or I'm not going to call it investment because this is not financial or investment advice. But I did break one of my rules for this mint, which is I don't mint GameFi projects that don't have working gameplay out yet. The reason I broke that rule was because the mint price was so cheap, and this team, Fantasy Labs, has already done another project in the past called Angry Orcs, right? So they showed a type of proof that, hey, they're not a rug pull. They're not just going to grab the money and run. They're at least going to make an effort to work on a game. And so that's why I broke one of my rules. But that doesn't even matter. Even if this project does turn out to not, do very well, or, they don't deliver on promises, just theoretically saying, I'm not saying they're going to do that, but if they did, I'm already in the green. Once this last one sells, I will already be in the green. and then I'll have these last two, really three, because one's staking NFTs, that will give me that long-term exposure to the project. Now, nothing here is super genius financial advice, nothing like that. I just wanted to make this video to show you how you can kind of get the best of both worlds, where you want to make that immediate profit, but you also want to keep some long-term exposure to a project. Sell your commons, keep your rares, let them run, and see where the chips fall. That is, I guess, the meaning of this video. If you enjoyed this content, if you enjoy NFTs, GameFi, IMX, anything along those lines, DeFi, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like on the video. Helps me out so much. I will catch you next time, and have a great day.